This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Week 2, Building Confidence with O and U Words. Day 2, Building Sentences. Let us begin by recalling these sight words as they are essential in building sentences. Repeat after me. The, is, on, in. Dear parent, remind your child to listen as I am going to read the entire sentence first, then I read word for word, and then we read all together, complete sentence. The dog is on the log. The dog is on the log. Kids, repeat after me. The dog is on the log. The dog is on the log. Say it. The mop is on the lot. The mop is on the lot. Repeat after me, kids. The mop is on the lot. The mop is on the lot. Say it. Tom can mop the dot. Tom can mop the dot. Kids, repeat after me. Tom can mop the dot. Tom can mop the dot. Say it. Mom has a hot pot. Mom has a hot pot. Repeat after me. Mom has a hot pot. Mom has a hot pot. Say it. Dear parent, let's do a final check. Mark one box for each successful try. If your child can read all the sentences easily, that means they're ready for the next lesson. Dear parent, we are going to dictate the following sentences to your child so they can write them down. Here's how we'll do it. First reading, I will read the whole sentence aloud so your child can listen. Second reading, I will say the sentence word by word so your child can start writing. Third, I will read the entire sentence again so that your child can review and check their work. At the end, don't forget to praise your child or give them a sticker for their effort. This helps build confidence and makes learning fun. Let's begin. First sentence, the dog can hop. The dog can hop. Start writing. The dog can hop hop. Second sentence, the lot is big. The lot is big. Start writing. The lot is big. Let us now proceed to the third sentence. The cat sat on the lot. The cat sat on the lot. Start writing. The cat sat sat, on, on, the, the, lot, lot, Dear kids, for the next task, take a good look at the given picture. Can you find a sentence that best matches it? Once you choose, read the sentence out loud. Let's see if it fits perfectly. Let's begin. Dear parent, now it's time for the next task. Your child will be building a sentence based on the picture you see. Before they start writing, ask them questions about the picture like, what do you see? What is happening here? This will help your child think of the words to use and make a complete sentence. Once you observe that your child have much difficulty forming the sentence, prompt them by asking what they see in the picture. Guide them into forming the words and eventually forming the sentence. You can actually look into the answers ahead to help you create your prompts. Great work today, kids! Keep practicing building sentences. See you tomorrow for day 3. We'll have new words to read and write together. Teacher Janelle here, and ta-ta for now!